Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar. Whoa. And here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select start time, end time, on which days it will be active, and like you can also set up default duration of this mode. You can hide notifications. For example, you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable sound and visuals, or you can customize it for yourself, what you want to disable and what you don't want to. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.